Hi, I'm Jason Toll with Grasshopper Mowers, and I'm here today to show you how to install the Buffalo Turbine Blower onto a Grasshopper 725D zero-turn lawnmower. The Buffalo Turbine Blower will also fit all 700 and 900 series front mount zero-turn mowers. It's more or less used for any kind of leaf and debris cleanup along the streets, sidewalks, anywhere where you may have abundance of leaves. The only tool that you will need for installation and de-installation will be the traction tool found in the lift tube of your lawnmower's deck. First, we will pick it up by this middle tube in the back to slide it into position so that these hooks go over the bushings. Once they are up over the top, we can take our D-rings located on the bottom of each side, pull them towards the front, rotating them down, release them. They are spring loaded. Let's go ahead and attach the power shaft. At this time, we will pick up the kickstand leg located off the right-hand side of the turbine blower, pull the pin, slide the tube up into itself, slide your pin back through, attaching it with the hitch pin. Now we will use the traction tool from the deck going into the stake pocket in between the tire and the frame. Take your traction tool and push it just straight down and forward to get slack in your chain. Push your chain up over the pin, washer, hitch pin. We'll repeat that on the other side. Pushing it forward. Attach your chain. Washer, hitch pin. Remove your tool. Fold your footrest down. We will hook up the electrical wiring. The wiring from the turbine blower will come out to the side, route around the lever to the outside. We'll fold the seat forward. On the bottom side, you will find the 4-pin connector from the joystick control box, and we will plug in to the connector. Once you see that the clip's down locked, we are good to go. That is installing the turbine blower on the 700 series Grasshopper lawnmower. Now I'm going to show you how to remove the Buffalo Turbine Blower from the 725D Grasshopper zero-turn lawnmower. We'll fold the seat forward, reaching in for our connector. We'll pull the tab back to unlock, slide the connector apart. Work your wiring out through the side of the mower, around your steering lever, forward down the blower, and just lay it right across the top. Fold your seat back down, fold your footrest up so that it is out of the way. It will hold itself locked in. Now we will use the traction tool to release the traction chains. Once again, it locks into the stake pocket. Pushing it straight down, looseness in the chains. Remove the chain. Go ahead and reinstall your washer and your lock pin. While we're down on this side, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to put the footrest down for the turbine blower by removing the pin. Let it fall to the ground. Once we've lowered the leg to the ground, we'll slide the pin back through the hole and attach and secure with the hitch pin. Once again, we will come over to the stake pocket, installing the traction tool, pushing straight down to get slack in the chain. Remove the hitch pin in the washer, slide your chain off of the pin. Go ahead and release that. Reinstalling the washer and the hitch pin for safekeeping. To finish the removal process now, we will release the power shaft from the mower. It has a sliding latch ring that's spring loaded. Pull the latch ring towards the front, releasing the cogs, and slide the shaft off. At this point, we will release the D-rings by sliding them straight forward and turn them 90 degrees That will hold them unlocked for you. Do the same on both sides of your mower. Once your hooks are unlocked, you can reach into the middle, grab a hold of the bar, pick straight up off of the hooks, and slide it forward and off the tractor. And that is how you attach and detach the Buffalo Turbine Blower from Grasshopper zero-turn mowers. For any other questions, feel free to check out our website at grasshoppermower.com. If you found today's video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe to our channel.